Well, you know what? It's a real pleasure to entertain for you all. It's been a fun evening, and it's not over with yet because one of my very, very close friends and is Joe Hanna, Sons of San Joaquin. And last the evening we had a dinner at Gary's and his wife's house, and we just had a great time. And Joe and Carol came, and a little later on we progressed into the music part of it. And we found that we had some common tunes that we could sing that weren't really the Western songs, but were beautiful songs of our past. And so please give a round of applause for Joe Hanna.
That's a good introduction. Well, once again, Gary Brown has shoved me off onto our guest, and so since I like Gary a lot, I'm not going to be hard to get along with. He's one of my best friends, let me tell you.
Yeah. Well, here we go, Joe.
Okay.
This is indicative to the season. It's a seasonal song.
And I'm enjoying Ernie immensely.
Thank you, Joe.
As always. Okay.
Maybe you guys will recognize it. It's classic.
Those falling leaves drift by my window. Those fallen leaves of red and gold.
I see your lips, those summer kisses, some brown hands I used to hold.
Since you went away, the days grew long, and soon I'll hear always a song.
But I miss you most of all, my darling.
When autumn leaves start to fall.
Falling leaves drift by my window, autumn leaves of red and gold.
I see your lips, the summer kisses, those sunburned hands they used to hold.
Since you've gone away, all the days grow long. Soon I'll hear old winter song.
But I miss you most of all, my darling. When autumn leaves start to fall.
But I miss you most of all,
my darling, when all